Hello, good evening for everyone. My name is Jaider Gómez, and today I am going to talk about this task one, reflecting upon English language awareness in this course, English Conversation. So my name is Jaider Gómez. I am 34 years old. Today is my birthday, and I live in Cajicá, Cundinamarca, with my beautiful wife and my two wonderful daughters. I am in 9th semester in this prestigious university, UNAD, and I hope to learn more, much more than I know, and I meet to my classmates and their knowledge. So my cell phone number is 321-967-6244. If I can help you with something, and I'm here. So welcome. Excuse me, one moment here. Okay, so this is me. I have just introduced to yourself, myself to you, and this is a short information about me. Okay, in this step one, this is a course recognition, and I want to say that what is the purpose in this? The purpose of this course is to strengthen foreign language, linguistics, sociolinguistic, and pragmatic competences through the accomplishment of moral production, tasks, and given sets of time interaction to communicate and discuss effectively about complex uses. Yes, okay. This course. In the syllabus, I can find 4 learning outcomes. What are the asynchronous interaction activities? There are specific mandatory interaction tasks that will improve a student cognitive comprehension process, right? And they have organized into 6 tasks. This course have 6 activities, including the evaluation quiz as the 5th activity. The real-time interaction, talking about the real-time interaction, peer interaction to enhance oral productions skills, reading to academic and cultural subjects. That's task 4, task 3, 4, and 6. Okay, excuse me. Okay, the number 6 is to summarize with your own words the course rules and the conditions So I want to say that the rules and conditions of this begin with a highlight that we must to be respectful, honest, tolerant, and supportive in the interaction with both classmates and tutors, right? This is something that we need to take care with that rules and condition into this course, okay? We must, in this course, my dear classmates, so I forgot it. We must check the emails, so also we need to check the emails and participate in the weekly mandatory meetings, okay? And according to the reflection, this is the second reflection upon English language. It is about myself, right? And okay. So I have a language level certification. Okay, yes, I have a certificate in a B2 level with IELTS exam, and I presented the last year, and it was approved at the UNAD many credits. Yes, I have a level B2. Okay, how did I get the level? How did you get the level you have now? Okay, thanks God I have the opportunity to live 8 years with British Protestant pastors in a bilingual boarding school, and I have to work as a teacher for 8 years as well. Also, I have many foreign friends, yes, and I have the opportunity to share with them. Why are you studying English as a foreign language? Actually, I love languages, not only English, I can speak Portuguese and Italian very well too, but I have been teacher for more than 8 years without my professional degree. I think that is already needed, right? Okay, so what do you want things to share with you? Okay, how long should I study foreign language? Okay, actually that depends on my discipline or the discipline that the people have, right? The place and the people with whom you do it. Because, for example, I speak English fluently, but I am a pedagogical basis. Okay, I need that pedagogical basis that I need as a teacher, so it depends of my purpose. How can you make language learning a part of your life in the future? So I have to relate learning either by interacting with foreign people from my country who also speak English, or continue training as a teacher for my student. I know that I will never stop practicing it because I like it. It is necessary. Or how can I organize the lifelong language learning? This learning can be organized every day with the training and responsibility to be the best in that I do. Teach English for life in a didactic way. Yes, this is, okay, I need to summarize this, and this is all that I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much, and see you soon.